1, 2, 3, action.
Welcome to Building with Dope Individuals. We outside with it today. We have Crystal from 203rd Soul Deli.
Hello, how you guys doing?
We're going to have an interview. It's a little awkward outside, but we're going to manage.
Sounds
So,
good to me.
what made you choose to open a deli?
Wow. Well, I really wanted to open up a restaurant, to be honest.
Okay.
But I didn't have too much of a following as far as food or cooking is concerned. So I'm like, to build a following before opening a restaurant is serious business.
Yeah.
Like, you have to have great food, and your food has to be great all the time. Because you can't sell chips and sodas and candy if your food is not good.
Correct.
So I feel like if I opened up a deli, I could kind of test my food out with the neighborhood, and I could still sell chips and juice if my food sucks.
Okay.
But my food is good, so I'm actually doing great.
All right. So, where did it all begin at? Like, where were you born? Like, what? It was in New York?
Yes, I was born in South Jamaica, Queens.
Okay.
I was born and raised in 40 Projects. And
Did you also go to school there?
yes,
South
I went to
Side also?
PS40. Yes, I did.
So what made you come to the north side to open a business? That's kind of,
My grandmother lived on 199. I mean, if you're from Queens, you got family all over. So my father was from this side of town, and my mom's family is from the south side.
Okay.
Like my grandmother and stuff like that. So I used to come here every weekend and go to Dolly's. Dolly's is one of the first black female delis on Hollis. It's on, I think, 199 in Hollis.
199 Dolly's?
Yeah, Dolly's.
Okay.
So as a little girl, I used to go get my grandmother newspaper, a little bit of peach cobbler, because she used to sell food too.
Yeah.
So I was inspired. And then this neighborhood was just an opportunity. I'm sorry.
It's all right.
This neighborhood was an opportunity for me to,
All right.
test my brand.
So is this your first business you ever tried out?
No. I have other businesses, like I have Airbnb. I had a massage studio.
That's cool.
I had a couple of businesses before
That's
this.
cool. So,
And also I grow marijuana.
oh, that's perfect. What's the name of this plant?
This plant right here is like Bruce Banner.
But what you call it? You don't have
No, that's
name
the
your
name.
plants?
No, that's the name of it. It's Bruce Banner.
I know everybody have a Bruce Banner. It's the type of plant. But you don't name your plants like that's George.
No, I don't name it because this one was actually for sale.
Oh, okay.
So unless it's mine at my house, it's my personal, like my baby that I'm
Okay.
nurturing to grow.
Yes.
Then I would name it. But this one is for someone to buy and take it home and do whatever they want with it. So
Oh, that's cool. So they can pick it up here?
yes.
Oh, that's amazing. That's amazing. So I see you have products here. That's also products that you make?
Oh well, this is product right here. It's called Mona Lynn soap. My sister actually makes this.
Okay.
All natural soap, and it's wonderful. Like they have great smells to them
What is the soap for?
for your body.
I know for your body, but they have different soap specifically for different
Well,
things.
some of them are for your
Or it's
face.
just regular?
No,
Okay.
some of them are for your face because one is like an exfoliation. It has
Okay.
like oatmeal in it, so it's definitely exfoliation. One is like Blue Island Fresh, so a lot of the men love that. It's
Alright.
a good scent. And then one has like she has a vanilla bean, so people who don't like a lot of smells or they want natural products. I'm gonna wait till that go by. Anyone who likes natural products,
Yes.
they will go with the vanilla bean because it's like really, really, natural to your skin.
Okay. So fresh out of high school, did you have any jobs in high school? Cause summer youth and the shit, no.
I had a baby in high school.
Oh, okay. So you
No,
in your
I was
grooming shit.
I was working.
Okay.
Yes.
So after high school, what was your first job? Did it push you to be an entrepreneur?
I would think so. My first job was working at Brooklyn Public Library,
Okay.
and I worked there for about 2 years. And then my second job, which was like my ground, something that gave me foundation,
Okay.
was I worked at Jamaica Hospital. I worked there for 13 years. I was part of the WIC program, and I gave a lot of low-income families milk and stuff like that.
That's cool.
Subsidized program for food.
So you
That was
stopped that
interesting.
to open a deli?
I stopped that to open a massage studio
Okay.
and an Airbnb. This deli just came about within the last 2 years of my life.
All right. So how was it owning the deli?
It's challenging. I can't say it, but it's rewarding at the same time.
Okay.
But it has its challenges.
What's the rewards?
The rewards is that I'm able to help the community. There's a lot of community that's in need. I'm able to express myself when it comes to cooking,
Okay.
my talent, you know. I'm able to explore different flavors with the community. I grow a lot of stuff at home, like I grow tomatoes, I grow strawberries.
Okay.
I'm able to bring natural products to the community.
All right.
So I mean, that's a lot of the reward that I get. And being my own entrepreneur is
Okay.
definitely rewarding.
So what is your biggest challenge?
Keeping a consistent revenue. Like,
Okay.
you know, a lot of businesses, what you want is a line. You want to have a line around the corner.
Yes.
So trying to create like either a TikTok or something that draws the crowd, I think that's my biggest challenge. You have to find something that you are like catering to the neighborhood that they want every day. You have to find something that the neighborhood needs. So I've been trying to do more healthier options like seafood and vegetables and stuff like that, because the community, a lot of people are going vegan. Everyone is
Okay.
not eating meat sometimes.
Alright.
Yeah, so
So what is like your favorite thing to make, and what is your favorite thing that sells here?
that's a good question. I think my favorite thing to make is meatloaf. Meatloaf and mashed potatoes. Like, I make garlic butter biscuits.
Okay.
I like to make a lot of southern food that I was raised on. Stuff that I used to eat, like barbecuing. The smell of the grill is just like jerk
So your
chicken.
parents from the South?
I had, yes.
Both?
I have, no, both. I mean, both of my parents are from the South, but I have a little mixture in me. So
Oh, okay.
I have a little Caribbean background. I got a little Southern background. Got a little bit of everything.
So what's your favorite dish that the neighborhood love over here?
I would have to ask Leo. I would have to ask him. What does the neighborhood like? What does
Yeah,
the
we can do
neighborhood
that.
like?
You see, the neighborhood probably like
What's going
the-
on? What's your name, sir?
Oh yeah, I'm 2-3 later. I'm
Cameron.
gonna be on the podcast a little later for me. Like we outside down Crystal, like, but the neighborhood love the they love the meatloaf, and y'all make some smothered pork chops. Oh, goddamn. You know the vibe with that.
Turkey wings. We make on Tuesday we have an amazing day where we like do Allen jerk cooking. So we
Okay.
do a lot of Caribbean style.
All right.
We do barbecue chicken with macaroni and cheese on cocoa bread. We do like different things. We always like twisting things up in here.
All
We
right.
do salmon chopped cheese. Like, we
That's
do
cool.
amazing things.
So what's new for 203 and Soul Deli
What's
for
new?
the future? What's new? What can we look forward to?
You can look forward to just seeing more amazing cooking, like more innovative styles of cooking, like new techniques. Like today, I used my torch for the first time. I was
Alright.
really like excited about that. I like torched the top of the macaroni and cheese with a
Okay.
torch gun. I got that on camera. That was fun. That was awesome. So I feel like you can just be creative when you're cooking.
Okay.
So I'm gonna do different creative things.
So what you were saying is basically you need more help with the content creator
Yeah.
aspect,
Yeah.
but the cooking and everything is still good.
Yes. I
Was
think so.
great.
Yes. I
And
think
everybody
so.
loved everything.
Yes. And I don't have any complaints so far. And
That's
if I do,
cool.
I'm open-minded to hear it because it's always room for growth.
All right. So is anything you want to tell people out there?
I just want to tell everyone thank you for supporting me. Thank you for coming, the people who come. And if you haven't came, we're always open for you to come and try new things. And I don't know. I love the community. I love, being here.
Well, thanks for checking us out for the street version of Building Dope Individuals. We have Crystal here again from 203 Soul Deli, and we out of here.
We out of here.